Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 213 House Robber 2. Suppose you are a professional robber planning to rob houses along a street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. All houses at this place are arranged in a circle. That means the first house is the neighbor of the last one. Meanwhile, adjacent houses have a security system connected, and it will automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses were broken into on the same night. Given an integer array nums representing the amount of money of each house, return the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. So it is similar to house robber 1 because we cannot rob the adjacent houses, otherwise, it will trigger the police alert. But the houses are arranged in a circle in house robber 2 problem. So, since houses are arranged in a circle, we cannot rob first house and the last house because these are also adjacent houses. So what we can do, we can have two lists. First list does not contain the last element, and second list does not contain the first element. And then we will on these two lists uh, we will call the rob function which we had explained in house robber 1 problem, and from there we will get some value and we will return the maximum value of these two values. So let's see example 1. Array is 232, output is 3 because we cannot rob house 1 where money is 2 and then house rob 3 where money is 2 because they are adjacent houses since these are in circle. In example 2, array is 1231, output is 4 because we can rob house 1 where money is 1 and then rob house 3 where money is 3, so total amount is 4. Okay, so I hope you got the understanding. So let's have two lists, list 1 and list 2. List 1 does not contain the zeroth element and list 2 does not contain the last element. And suppose if length of nums is equals to 1, then we can simply return 0 index. Okay, now let's have a helper function, and here we are having an array. The code of this helper function is similar to the code in house robber 1 problem. So what we can do, we can have two values, rob 1 comma rob 2, initialize with 0 comma 0 for n in this array. Let's have a temporary variable which is basically max of rob 2 comma n plus rob 1. Now rob 1 is equals to rob 2 is equals to temp. We can return rob 2. So this code is similar to the code in house robber 1 problem. Now what we can do, we can have the result which is basically max of this helper on L1 and L2 on these two lists, and we can return the result. Let's run the code. So it is accepted, all the test cases are passed. Submit the code. It is accepted. Algorithm is working fine. Time complexity of the algorithm is order of n. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.